Can you actually make up to $20,000 a week online without using ClickBank? Well, check this out. You can see right here, my mentor is doing $85,000 a month with one single affiliate marketing program, right? So let's go. Let's do it now. Before that, go ahead and go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, click the notification bell. It's as easy as, let me see, just going ahead and give me a thumbs up here and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I actually do this and upload videos, right? So guys, like I said, it's Bobby Siharath here, and welcome to a new video where I'm going to be talking about my method and my mentor's method that we're using right now to turn up to about $20,000 per week on their internet without even using ClickBank right now, right? So why do I say without using ClickBank? Well, I have nothing against ClickBank, right? ClickBank is a great affiliate network, got lots of different opportunities and lots of different products and all those things. But well, here's the thing, guys. Most of the time all you guys hear about is when we're talking about affiliate marketing is ClickBank, right? So yeah, that's all you hear about is about ClickBank. ClickBank, ClickBank, ClickBank. So what does that do? That creates a ton of competition, right? Because guess what? If everyone is teaching the same thing, pick out affiliate offers, promote them, and make money with them. Where do you think everybody's going to do to get their affiliate offers, right? They're all going to ClickBank. And so when that happens, like I said, massive amounts of competition. So the reason I wanted to bring this up to you, right, is I want to share with you a method that you can use to generate revenue, the online method that we're generating $20,000 a week, where I'm not even talking about even logging into a ClickBank account to make it happen, right? So first and foremost, because I know that a lot of people like to fake it in these type of videos, and I can tell you, they're doing stuff that they're not really doing, right? So let's go to my computer real quick and I'll show you, right? Well, yeah, here's a screenshot of the $85,000 my mentor had made. That's about $20,000 per week, right? So that's what he's projected to make right now. As you can see, if with this affiliate program, right, in the last 30 days, he's actually been paid $67,000. Then you can also see that lifetime earnings is $1.8 million. And he's been paid about $1.7 million, right? In fact, $35,000 of that was just paid to him before he actually showed me this, right? So, okay, so far you've seen this is not ClickBank. The company is called ClickFunnels, okay? And there's a method to this, right? And there's a reason why this works. Okay, there's a reason why we want you to pay close attention to the rest of what I'm talking about in this video, all right? And because there's one strategic shift, okay, one thing that happens to promote a product like ClickFunnels versus some of the things that you've seen at ClickBank, right? All right, what I'm gonna do is pull up my trusty notepad. Let's go back to my computer and I'm going to outline for you how I or you can make $20,000 per week without using ClickBank. So number one, you'll need to find a great affiliate program for software. Okay, that is key, okay? This is key because software is something that typically once people start using, they don't stop using, right? We call this the sticky effect, okay? And this is where somebody is, they buy something and if you can't cancel it, right? Because you need it. It's not something that you purchase because you might think it's cool. It's something you purchase because it is cool, right? And if that makes sense, it's a tool you need for your business, right? Software usually falls into that mix. All right, which makes it something, again, the very few people will cancel, right? So let's go back to my computer so we could find a great affiliate program for software. The second thing is, okay, let's make sure that software is the monthly recurring charge or fee. Okay, so what that means is we want to make sure that the software that we're promoting has a monthly recurring charge, right? All right, why do we want to do that? Well, it's really simple, right, guys? Let me show you the stats again. Okay, if you look right here, I currently have 181 people that are trialing for ClickFunnels. That's 181 have signed up for ClickFunnels and are currently in their trial phase. Okay, so that means 181 sales were made. Now, in most affiliate programs, 181 would be all the sales that I've made, okay? But like my maximum number, right? It'd be that I told or sold 181 units, I got paid for 181 commissions, and that's it, right, guys? But with reoccurring commissions, that's not how it works, guys. I have over, we'll say thousands of people that are actively subscribed to ClickFunnels, for example, right, through my link. Every single month, those people pay their membership fee to continue using the software. I get paid an affiliate commission. So what that means is instead of having to sell somebody every single month in order to make money, you can sell somebody one time and then every single month in order to get paid, right? And then every single month they continue to pay their membership fees and for access to the software, right? So you continue to get it paid month after month after month. This is one of the smartest ways for people to go about affiliate marketing. If you're brand new, you've never done this before, right? So, and you're thinking to yourself, like, I'm seeing all these videos on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and all about this stuff. Where do I start? This is the foundation for success, guys. The foundation for success is making sure that when you work hard to make a sale, that you're not having a single month starting at zero, right? This is the foundation for success. When you have recurring income or recurring income, you don't start at zero on month 2. If you've made 181 sales like we have, then some people are going to stick with it, and some members will not stick with it. They're going to stick around. And guess what? On month 2, I'm going to have a number of people signed up more, right? I might have 30 or maybe 70 or even 90 more sales. And that's not having to go generate that month. They're just going to come in from work I did the previous month. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about, guys. That's so important, right? Do all the work up front and get paid month after month after month. So what's important about this understanding is you don't want to start a zero every month, right? This is a recipe for headaches and disaster. All right, so the third thing is make sure you understand what you're selling, and you need to educate your customers, right? Okay, now what does that mean, guys? That means if you're selling a product, lo and behold, you should understand what you're selling. You should know what it is. You should know why people need it. You should know what the pitfalls are. You should know what the exciting things are. You should know what the excitements are. And look, you should know what's going to cause somebody to keep using it and what's going to cause somebody to quit using it. The most important thing that I cannot stress enough to you is that you want to be a successful affiliate marketer. And you want to do it on platforms that can build long-term sustainable income, right? Not just these one-off commissions. You got to understand what you're selling, okay? Because you need to be able to educate people. You need to be able to sit down with somebody and teach them how to use this. What is that they just bought, right? Because that's what's going to keep them from canceling, right? You see, if you buy the software yourself, whatever it is that you're promoting, and you use it, you'll find here are the reasons why you should cancel it. Here are the reasons why you would stop using it. And here are the reasons why you will not quit, right? Then here are the certain parts of the software and certain things in the software that really hook you, right? And once you found them, you would never cancel. And then those are the things that you want to help your new clients with. So when they buy software, you want to right? You want to help them avoid the things that would cause them to cancel and help them find the things that would make them stick. Help them find the things that would cause them to stick with these 3 methods, okay? Finding it. So we know everything is finding a great affiliate program for our software, okay? Making sure that the software has a monthly recurring charge, very super important, right? Then making sure that you understand what you're selling and that you offer to educate your customers so that they know what it is they bought. They know how to use it. These 3 things are the recipe that I've used to generate $20,000 per week with one single affiliate program along with my mentor and not ClickBank, right? And I do believe that if you follow this, that this is a recipe for continuing to duplicate the type of success that me and my mentor is having. Now, if you would like me to do a lot of that educating for you, well, meaning not me at the moment, but my mentor, right? If you would like us to teach people how to use different softwares and educate them and even actually sell them the softwares for you, there's a link right down below this video in the description where you could partner with us, right? And here's what works and how it works and what it's for. You can join up and you can actually work with me and my mentor, and you'll become an affiliate of this very, very company of ClickFunnels, and as well as other different softwares, things that people really need in order to be successful online. And what will happen is I will educate all the people that you send in. We will educate them, we will sell them, but we will not earn the commissions. You will earn all the commissions. So that's why we call it a partnership, right? Partnership program. Because all we do is the selling and telling for you and education for you, and you simply bring the people in, right? And it's a simple concept, a very simple process, but it allows us to show you the power of doing it right? Because I feel like if you're successful with our partnership program, you see that in that program, and we implement these 3 things. This recipe, these 3 things are implemented every single moment in there. And if you get to benefit from that and you get the profit from that, and our theory is you'll say, it makes sense. And you'll start doing that for yourself over and over and over again. So what should you do right now? If you like to be part of our partnership program or just want more info on it, there's a link below, right? Click on that, check it out, and then of course, listen, if you love these videos, if you liked the recipes like this, and you want to learn more about this, all you need to do is right now is click the thumbs up, the subscribe button, and turn on all the notifications. And YouTube will notify you each and every time we put a video just like this one, helping you learn how to crush it online, helping you with the strategies I'm using to really, really, really do affiliate marketing well. And it's a completely different way than what you see everyone else teaching, right? This is leading with education and leading with value, and the money will come, right? I love to teach you more about this stuff later on. So click the subscribe button, turn the notifications on, leave me some comments below. I read all my comments and reply to all my comments. So I would love it if you leave me some comments, click the like button, just show me some love, let me know that you're out there listening. And so yeah, any questions you want to put down there, I'll answer them. Click the link if you're interested in this partnership program, and I'll see you next time, all right? So next time we'll teach you more about how you can profit with success and how to do affiliate marketing the right way. Peace out, guys.